Go ahead.
Hi everybody at home. We are going to jump in the water with a very
Open up and show them the cooler, Bubba. Start again. Show them the cooler again. I pressed the wrong button.
This is our cooler. And I don't know why my shirt and our old life vests are in it.
Okay, let me switch places with you.
Ready?
Okay, open up the storage. Show them how much storage we have there. Hang on a second.
Why are we making a video for YouTube?
Here's the other side. We got the other cushion that goes in the middle of where we're standing. Oh, no, all the way back. Keep going all the way back, Savannah. You can hear our sound system. You can see Terry's now on the swim platform. We'll go show you the storage up front. There's a storage compartment in here. Okay, go ahead and close it, Nana. Here's another storage compartment. This is where we keep our life vests and our fat socks and our pumps and our wetsuits. And there's a shower in there. Just a minute, Savannah.
You want me to pick it up?
No, I'll zoom in on it. This is the driver's seat, where all the gears. From the driver's seat.
Miles? Is that Miles' problem?